Welcome to Geek Vahid. In this video, we will connect to a hidden internet browser in Nintendo Switch. So we are using Switch OLED. For first, we have to go in the settings. In system settings, we'll go in internet settings. In Wi-Fi, we'll go to change setting, DNS setting, from automatic to manual, and we'll change primary DNS to 045.055.142.122. Okay, save. Okay, now connect to the network and wait for it. Next, continue to the Google, and here is our internet browser. You can search anything you want. You can use it as an internet browser as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.